This is the BK Mueller 888-555 stem assembly. And now this is for the new style faucets that have that red handle. A couple really important things to notice about this stem assembly is down here on the end it will be spring loaded. So if you press it in, it's just going to pop right back out. And then you're going to have that screw there, down to that rubber kind of O-ring or gasket there. And it's kind of hard to see, but there's that little ring kind of lip right there. That is rubber also. And then down on that bottom of that spring-loaded end, you've got that rubber O-ring there as well. And then coming down to those 3 threads. And then coming down to this end, you've got that metal kind of washer there, the rubber gasket, and the other metal washer. So that flat one will go on first, and that rubber gasket, and then that metal washer is kind of cupped. So this one will sit right on top of it just like that. So we can go ahead and get a couple measurements of the stem here, starting with a total length. So measuring from end to end, it's going to measure right at 10 inches. Then we can also measure just that end here. And that's going to measure, so with that spring-loaded end out, it's going to measure right at about 2 1/4 inches at the end of that screw. And we can also measure that rubber gasket on the end as well. Get an outer diameter. It's going to measure right at 3/4 of an inch. With a total height or thickness of right at 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, so once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-555 stem assembly.